Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the keyboard shortcuts in Goodnotes in 2026. Do you want to work faster in Goodnotes? Keyboard shortcuts can save you a lot of time. So let's see how to use them effectively by following these few simple steps and listening to these instructions. Now, are you using the Goodnotes on application? You're gonna make sure a quick guide before we start the tutorial is how to download the Goodnotes application. You're just gonna go to your Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you can download Goodnotes from there. If you want to use Goodnotes on your PC, you can download it from the Microsoft Store, or you can search for it on your web browser by typing in Goodnotes for Windows. As you can see here, this is the screen. So you're gonna make sure to download this. Select the download button here on your Windows, and then you're gonna make sure to open the Goodnotes on your Windows. Now, once you open Goodnotes on your device, connect a keyboard to your iPad or computer. You can also connect a keyboard to your tablet or your phone. Then you're gonna press and hold the command key to view available shortcuts. You can use shortcuts for actions like undo, redo, copy, and paste. You press Ctrl plus Z to undo, and copy plus C to copy, etc. Then practice using them to speed up your workflow. Learn the most common shortcuts first and use them regularly to build muscle memory. Then combine with touch controls for efficiency. Now, keyboard shortcuts make your workflow faster and smoother. Master them and boost your productivity instantly. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.